Hi, welcome to your online astronomy course. I wanted to give you a couple videos that will introduce you to the major things that you need to use for this course. First is your Sakai page, which is the main source of all your information, where you'll be turning in assignments, where you'll be getting assignments, and where you will complete your tests and quizzes. So here's our home page for our online astronomy class. I put some information to get you started, and this is where you can, just begin. In terms of getting very specific information, I'd encourage you to hit the Syllabus tab. In the Syllabus tab, there's basically two pieces of information. There's basic course information, which is going to be very useful for you. It's going to give you what textbooks you need, how the grading is going to be done, classroom policies, units, etc. So that's a good place to start. You're also going to find something that you need for the course, the name of the course in your online astronomy homework page, and also the course ID. This is how you actually find your course. In addition to the basic information, there's also a page that gives the schedule and the assignments. And so this is going to be really helpful to you too, just to sort of give you an overview of what we're going to do during this summer course. Another place that you might want to look at are the lesson tabs. The lessons are numbered weeks 1 through 10 because our course does run for about 10 weeks. Let's just take a look at week 1. If we look at week 1, you'll basically see what the structure is of the lesson tabs. All the lesson tabs are going to introduce you to sort of what are the basic concepts that you're going to do this week. Here are learning objectives. Then there's going to be a list of homework, some recommended tutorials that you might want to do on mastering astronomy, and then you'll see any links to homework that you have for that particular week's material. Here you see there's a forum called Introduce Yourself. There's a scavenger hunt quiz, and finally the last thing you'll find on these weeks are going to be videos of the material that you'll be reading about. It's entirely up to you whether you watch the videos or not, but they might be helpful to you, especially if there's a concept that you're struggling with. There are tests and quizzes over here as well. The gradebook will be a place where you will be able to keep track of how you're doing in the class. And assignments will be where you will be turning in most of your assignments that are due during the semester. It's pretty important that you do turn them in through this tab and through the specific assignment, and don't email them to me. There's a lot of students in this class, and if I get email assignments from everyone, it's going to be virtually impossible for me to keep track of them and not to get anything lost. So let's go back to the home page. I think that this is enough to get you started. Hopefully you enjoy the class, and hopefully you don't find navigating the online class too difficult. But if you do, don't ever hesitate to email me to ask any questions that you might have.